Yeah, good evening. Today here along with me SP Saab, DC ma'am and your MLA and other police officials and our main target, today's target was to bring the machinery of 60 feet boom that already it is working over there. And almost we have some identification from our side as well as from seabird side, army people. They have given some locations. And that location, we are now almost taken the points. And we ourselves, all of us, we went through river also, and we have earmarked the exact point wherein we have to make our efforts. And from Delhi, as I told you, the specialist has also reached, and today he has came and he has taken all the background from seabird people, means navy people, army people, and all the backgrounds he got, and he has also studied. From tomorrow morning we will give him total site to his custody, and he will make the next arrangements, and it is nothing but within 30 meter we will find out our result. As of now, what we are saying, okay. And on that, tomorrow I request you people, because of it is landmass radar with drone, heavy drone. Okay, drone is reaching tomorrow by 9:38 Konkan Railway Station, Karwar, in Rajdhani Express, since we couldn't bring it through the craft because aviation problem is there. Because that battery and all, it is meant for particularly inbuilt there as per their requirement. It is not a common battery what they are bringing. In that battery, we will bring tomorrow. SP Saab has given the charge to DYSP to bring the material from that railway station, as well as now one machine is working with the 60 feet boom, and another also one more machine is coming within 1.5 hours to the site. And tonight we will make the platform, as well as if you want we will go inside the river by putting some sort of stone and all these things as per their advice. Okay. And as you have told, some indication got and all this indication we got, but I cannot say you perfect because it has to be confirmed. See, because that light tower is also fallen in the water. Okay. So metallic problem is there. It is not a Excel or something like that. But now up to 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock we will work. If rain is heavy, then we will stop and we will start at morning. But our sincere request is to you people, tomorrow morning, please, we will not disturb them for their rescue work. Okay. If you want every 4 hours or 3 hours, we will give you the information in some place where in Ankola, in International Hotel, you have seen there. I will come over there and I will give you the updation. Whatever the upgradation is there, whatever intimation is there, that I will inform you accordingly. Here they doesn't want any mobile or any this thing because it is a very crucial. I cannot explain also here openly. Okay. For that we are requesting you Kerala press and as well as Karnataka press that tomorrow we have to be sit in one place wherein I will give you the information every 3 hours or every 4 hours as you require. Okay. but 100% sure that we will get tomorrow our achievement. Okay, I don't want to make a hurdle for them to disturb again and again. We will finish it tomorrow by itself, and we will make the arrangement. Okay, now your MLA will also speak, and tonight your MP, yesterday, day before yesterday, he came now. He is also arriving in Ankola, and another 2 MLAs are there here. They will also inform accordingly.
Sir, it's a lorry belongs to Arjun, our Arjun.
Yeah, other lorries are not there.
Yeah.
You have to think that
Just confirm.
lorry is lorry. Okay, no more lorries are there. Okay, but whatever the metal, it may be a doubt of ours. Doubt is it may be tower also. One tower was there because when we are digging now, that foundation we got. That tower also bent down and it falls in the water also. For that, we want our confirmation first 100%. Then only we will share the all subject to you people without hesitating any problem, because it is nothing but whatever we are.
യെസ്, കാർവാർ MLA മാധ്യമങ്ങളോട് സംസാരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. രക്ഷാപ്രവർത്തനത്തിൽ നാളെ വളരെ ക്രൂഷ്യലാണ്. നാളെ അവിടെ മാധ്യമങ്ങൾ സ്വയം ചില നിയന്ത്രണങ്ങൾ വരുത്തണമെന്നാണ് അദ്ദേഹം സൂചിപ്പിച്ച് വരുന്നത്. അതാണ് അവിടെ നാളെ ഈ ഡ്രോൺ പരിശോധന, അതിന് വേണ്ടുന്ന ക്രമീകരണങ്ങൾ. അപ്പോൾ നാളത്തെ പരിശോധനയുടെ ഭാഗമായി മാധ്യമങ്ങൾ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു കേന്ദ്രത്തിൽ തുടരുക, വിവരങ്ങൾ മണിക്കൂറുകൾ ഇടവിട്ട് അവിടെ അറിയിക്കാം. അതുകൊണ്ട് അത്തരം സാഹചര്യമാണ് നാളെ ഉള്ളത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് അവിടെ അവർക്ക് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട്, തെരച്ചിലിന് നേതൃത്വം നൽകുന്ന ദൗത്യ സംഘത്തിന് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുണ്ടാക്കുന്ന തരത്തിൽ അവിടെ ആരും, എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ മാധ്യമങ്ങൾ മാത്രമല്ല, ആരും അവിടെ ഉണ്ടാകാൻ പാടില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു കേന്ദ്രത്തിലേക്ക് മാറണം നാളെ എന്നാണ് അദ്ദേഹം സൂചിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യം.